it's Sunny Manitoba, and today I'm going to show you how to breast a duck. First you're going to want to pluck him. Just came out of the swamp, so he's kind of wet. Not kind of, he's extremely wet. If you really don't feel like plucking him, you can kind of just get under his skin and then peel it back and cut it off. But we're going to be doing that anyway without the feathers, so it looks a bit better so you can see. You're going to want to go to about, where his breasts end right here. And then you're going to want to go up to the top of the breasts. And you want to pinch his skin. What you're going to want to do is pinch his skin up and then cut it. And then just follow along here, right on the skin and in between the meat there. And that's what we're going to do all the way around. And if it gets in your way, all you gotta do is cut it off. Bring the bird to you. Don't bring the knife to the bird. It's just a bit easier on your part to get underneath it and butch it. Just gonna want to cut all this off here. Now what you're gonna want to do, oops, missed this here. You're gonna want to put your knife in here at an angle like this. Push down. Oops, you don't want to cut that one. Push down on this angle here, so you get it all. And what you're going to want to do is scrape. Scrape as much as you can. Then you're going to put your knife here and go like this, all the way down. It's okay if you miss this here because we can grab that after. And up here. And just cut this. You can always grab that after. Cutting our green there, but no. Grab this extra meat here. And here, if you want, you can come off the bottom. Grab it all, but I kind of screwed up pretty bad there. Now I'm going to scrape again. Remember, it's okay if you miss that meat because you can grab it after. There, we need it good. Down here. That's how you breast duck.